Hello coders, I hope you are coding well. In the previous video, we wrote the code to call post workout API from our Angular application. And in today's video, we will create an API to get the workouts in our Spring Boot application. So let's get started. So in our Spring Boot application, first of all, we need to create a method in workout service implementation. And to do this, we will open this class, and after this we will create a new method, and this method will return a list of workout DTO, and we will import this DTO from fitness tracker server.dto package. And after this we will name this method as get workouts, and after this we need to import this list class, and we will import it from java.util. And in the body of this method, first of all, we need to call the workout repository to get the list of workouts, and after this we will convert this list to the workout DTO list. So first of all, we will create a list variable of workout, and we will import this from fitness tracker server dot entity, and after this we will name this as workouts, and after this we will use workout repository, and we will call a method find all. And now we need to convert this to the workout DTO list, and then we need to return this as well. So we will write a return statement, and after this we will use workouts, and then we will apply stream on this, and after this we will call map method, and this method will give a single workout, and after this we will call this get workout method inside workout. And as you know, we created this get workout method in our previous videos, and in this method we are converting workout entity to the workout DTO. And now let's go back to our workout service implementation, and at the end we will collect this to list. And with this, our get workouts method is completed in our workout service implementation. Now let's copy this, and let's open workout service, and let's mention this here. And after this we need to create an endpoint to call this method, and to do this we will open workout controller, and in this controller we will start writing a new method, and this method will return response entity, and after this we will name this method as get workouts, and in the body of this method we will write a try block, and in this try block we will write a return statement, and after this we will use response entity, and we will call OK method, and in this we will use our workout service, and we will call get workouts method, and then we will write the catch block as well, and in this we will catch the exception, and we will name this as E, and in this block we will write a return statement, and we will again use response entity, and to set the status this time we will call status method, and in this we will return http status dot internal server error. And after this, to send the message we will call body method, and in this we will write the message as something went wrong, and at the end we will annotate this method with @getMapping annotation, and for the URL we will give it as /workouts. And with this, our get workouts API call is completed. Now let's run our application. And as you can see, our application is up without any errors. Now let's go to the Postman, and let's test our get workouts API. And in the Postman, for the request type we will keep this as get, and after this we need to give the URL, and for the basic URL we will give this as http localhost 8080, and after this we need to give the controller URL, which is /API, and at the end we need to give the endpoint URL, which is /workouts. And after this, to call the API we will click on this send button, and as you can see we got the response status 200 OK, and in the response body we got a list with the two workout objects, and for each workout we are getting ID, type, date, duration, and calories burned. And that's it for today's video. In the next video we will call this get workouts API from our Angular application, and we will show these workouts on the workouts page.